anybody would like to a show or interpret on how to act, on how to demonstrate the peeling of the banana? Peel. How do you peel the banana? Huh? Okay, using your arms. Imagine that this is your banana. Okay, so peel. Banana. Peel, banana. Okay, so peel. Banana. Peel, banana. So
ang habang banana.
To your right and one to your left. Okay, ready? With feelings. With feelings. Okay, everybody must move, huh? Ready, go! Peel, banana. Peel, banana. You have to bend your knees. Stretch. Okay, once more. Peel, banana. Peel, banana. Peel, banana. Peel, banana. Good. All right. What's next?
Thank you. Ang laki. Sige ma'am, sige. Okay yun.
Napaka-demure nilang kumain ng banana.
I know. Before you eat pala, no? Meron tayong manner ng pag-slice. Alright? So, slice banana or chop banana. Chop or slice. Or slice muna. Kasi mahirap kung puluyan tayo kung buong banana. So, what? Chop. So, slice. 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 Apa slice? Ito banana. Slice. Banana. Slice. Slice. Banana. Slice. Banana. Slice. Slice. Hold your head. Lahat. Lahat. Banana. Slice. Slice. Banana. Slice. Banana. Slice. Slice. And then eat. Banana. Eat. Banana. Eat. Banana. Eat banana. Next banana. Yes.
Ano yun?
Para yung muscles ng ating
Chacha.
Ooh.